In today's video, we are going to be attempting to sub on these Dollar Tree Aromatherapy Aloe socks. They look like this. They had a bunch of different ones. This one I believe is an owl. So they are polyester. They're 99% polyester. So let's see how this turns out. This will make a good stocking stuffer gift. Just personalize it with their name or however you would like. So if you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's just jump into this video. Okay, so we're gonna start off by prepping our socks. Gotta take off the little tag, plastic tag in the middle, and I'm gonna try not to break the packaging. It comes off really easily, so I can put it back in here. This is how they look. Oh, it is an owl, so cute. So you can lint roll this if you would like. I'm honestly not gonna bother just because I'm just putting a name on it. So we're just gonna take our paper. I'm using InnoSub, and we're gonna put that where we want it. I might have made it, the end is a little bit too big, I think. I'm just gonna tape down my paper. These are so soft. I should have bought some more. These are nice. So I'm just gonna tape it everywhere. I should have printed out another name. Maybe I'll print out another name so that I can put the name on both socks. Right now I'm just doing one to see how it turns out. So we have our tape all around. I'm using clear tape, and we're gonna bring this to our heat press to press and see how well it does. Okay, so we're gonna put some butcher paper underneath. Then we're gonna get our sock. I'm gonna place it down. I'm gonna put a Teflon sheet on top to protect it. I'm using InnoSub, so I don't need butcher paper on top, but if you are using something like A-Sub or something thinner, make sure that you put butcher paper on top because it's gonna bleed through. This paper does not bleed through, and this paper only requires me to have my heat press set at 360 for about 60 seconds. I'm gonna put this elasticated part on the outside just so that it doesn't cause any uneven pressure. So again, I'm doing 360 for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my Teflon. And then I think I had way too much pressure on my sock. So I'm gonna gently take off the... Yeah, I had too much pressure. Just trying to fluff it out. Don't be like me, don't put too much pressure because it gets rid of some of that fuzzy cuteness. The socks turned out so cute. Again, don't put too much pressure on them, but other than that, they make a really cute stocking stuffer. Just personalize them with the name. Bam, you are good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.